welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share meeting notes with Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to share your meeting notes with Notion, all you can do is simply go to Notion. Once you are in your Notion account, you need to simply get logged in into your account. So once you have done that also, you need to simply use these simple and easy steps which I'm going to discuss further in this video to share your meeting notes. So if you want to share your meeting notes in Notion, first of all, you need to create a page. So you need to basically create a new page for your notes. You can simply use like templates or /meet option. You need to now type in your content. After you have typed in all the contents and minutes, you need to click on the share button. You can find the share button right over here. Now, once you have shared it, you can only invite few people via your web link or stuff, or you can simply copy link and share it to people. So you can also give them like permissions to view or either edit or link it to other project docs for easy access. Notion's AI feature can even auto-share notes with participants after the meeting says. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.